Welcome back to another R&DW Adventures. I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And today we're going to be building Grogu, that we now know is Grogu.
Yes, not just Baby Yoda. He has his own name.
Yep, or the child, or the bounty. He's now Grogu. But this is still called the child. It's Lego Kit 75318. In honor of the final episode of this season,
I'm very sad
we're
it's the
going to build
final
Grogu.
episode.
Episode?
Episode.
Oh, wait.
Punch your fingers in there. It should be easy. That's what it says.
It should be. But, you know, we're adults, so.
It's adult-proof, not kid-proof.
Okay.
There's
Our
8
bags are in order. Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead and...
We don't know if they're in order of this, though.
Right. That's why we need to look.
Scan the code on the front cover. Oh.
We don't care about that.
Oh, I see. Yes. So each bag
one builds our
the tower.
first.
So we're going to do it one bag at a time?
Yep. But, yeah, we have tiny little Grogu. Oh, and then we actually got another one of the pull-apart tools.
So I'm putting those red things in here because they're easy to find with the white. This is a different gray, so... Ready for bag number 2.
Okay, bag 3.
Interesting. And we're going to build the other side.
Alright, and on to bag 5.
Next he gets hands.
And this is 6.
Yep. tiny. You put these in. Come on, 2 bags, 7. His head. Head over head?
Yeah. Okay, bag 8. And then we are done.
Yay! His eyebrows are upside down, but he's cute. Like this part's supposed to go that way instead of point down.
See, I'm not sure that that's right.
So I think they're supposed to move. No,
I know.
I don't know. I like it like this. Let's leave it.
Yeah, that probably is right. So that is
Grogu!
Grogu. Hopefully we'll see more of him in the episode that drops today, which is Friday I can't remember the date, because we're actually recording this earlier. But yeah, we were kind of disappointed in episode...
The 18th.
Episode 15, I guess it is. Because episode 15 didn't have any Grogu in it.
Not at all.
It was free from Grogu.
I mean, it was still good. It was a good.
Oh, it was a good episode.
But yeah.
And it really gave a lot more insight into Mando.
It really did. Mando.
So he was probably one of the hardest Lego kits that we've built so far.
I think so. It took a while, but it was actually a little bit complicated, like layering. But it came out. I think it came out really cute. We have a lot of big Grogu collection happening behind us.
Yeah, we're nowhere near as bad as a lot of people are.
This is very true.
So,
but his mouth moves. How does it move though when he's? Okay, there.
But you have to like tip the head up.
Right. But I don't like his mouth closed. Leave it open a little, like he's talking or saying something. No, because I think it looks creepy like that. Like that.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna stop. We've been at this for way too long. It took us
2.5 hours.
A little over 2.5 hours. It probably shouldn't have taken us that long. We dropped a bunch of pieces on the floor.
And they're really a whole bunch of really tiny pieces.
Yeah. And it's always the smallest pieces that you drop.
And usually the gray ones because it matches our floor.
But hopefully you enjoyed it. Click the subscribe button to stay tuned for all of our videos.
Yes.
And then over here is going to be our opening videos, or our build videos rather, playlist of those, so click on that one and see a lot more videos of this kind of stuff.
Remember, adventure is out there.